Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching your PC network to the PLC so you can reach it directly. Once done, plug a direct Ethernet cable into the PLC Profinet port or into a switch on the same subnet. Make sure your VPN and firewall are off so the engineering software can discover the device. This prevents blocked ports. Open TIA Portal or Step 7 now and choose Accessible Devices. You need an online connection before you change any addressing settings. With the device visible, select it and enter the network or interface settings. You will edit the IP address and subnet mask directly in the Ethernet node properties. This is the only proper method because it updates the device configuration. After entering the new address, apply changes and use the download function to push only the network parameters. Do not inadvertently overwrite user programs unless intended. Wait for the tool to confirm the PLC is online at the new address before proceeding. Finally, switch your PC back to the PLC's new subnet and ping the address to verify. Make sure LEDs show link and activity. If ping fails, recheck the subnet mask, gateway settings, and physical connections. These are common causes. If the PLC won't accept the new IP, you can use the hardware reset procedure or Siemens MAC-based recovery utilities to restore communication. Only perform factory resets as a last resort because that will erase user data. Keep a backup of original settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.